Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. So gold did come down. Yeah, we talked about that already in the last video. We talked about this possible 1-2-1-2 setup, which could be unfolding against this ceiling here, and we had only one fake out. It didn't hold when it retested support and then fell down quite strongly here in what I believe is a C wave of wave 2. And it would suggest that we might need only one more low to complete this move down. Now, I have highlighted here a possible support area for wave 2. I mean, this goes down all the way to 1819. I don't suggest it has to come down all the way to that level. Below that level, we would look at a different pattern, but this might not be necessary. So it looks like we had here a small 1-2, maybe here the 3, 4, and then we should get a wave 5. And possible targets here are 1868 and 1848. These are the next targets, either the 50% retracement or the 61.8 retracement, the golden ratio. Could the move down be already finished? Yes, it could, but price action doesn't suggest that at this stage. It would need a sustained break above 1924, in my opinion, to convince me that the C wave is already over. So at the moment I only see 3 waves down. This looks like a wave 4 currently. They usually are sideways consolidations, and we could get a 5th wave down to finish off C. We also have here in this green support area for the wave 2, which is again between these 2 fib levels. We've got the moving average, which is the 50-day moving average, the yellow line. And that might act as additional support in that support area. Could the wave 2 be already finished? As I said, yes. You get occasionally shallow wave 2s. Yeah, there are wave 2s which only reach the 38.2 fib level, but the fact that we've broken below it and that we are hovering, actually, as you can see if I zoom in a bit, we're actually hovering just below this fib level. This suggests continuation to the downside. And if I go to the 1 hour chart, then what I'm suggesting is happening here is the following. So we had this B wave top there, and that we are in this C wave. We had a 1, 2, 3, and this is not a triangle. Possibly the wave 4 high is already in. Need to move that wave 2 here. Possible that wave 4 high is already in, and then we had here a very clear A wave, a B wave, and a C wave in that wave 4, A, B, C. This could certainly be finished. What is important to see as well, if we're here on the 1 hour chart, what are the relevant fib levels actually for a wave 4? What is the target, what you would normally expect for a wave 4? And the ideal target for a 4th wave is the 38.2 fib level. Now, we perfectly reached that. I can't remember if I talked about that target in the last video. I might have, didn't rewatch it, but it could be. We have 3 waves complete. It's possibly rather a B, C. It's probably rather a WXY, to be honest, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter for this purpose. And it reached the 1896 level, which is the ideal target for a 4th wave. Now, it could go to the 50% retracement, which is 1903, but ideally it's finished now, and it comes down now in the wave 5. Above 1903, it will be unlikely that it's still a wave 4, because then it breaks above the 50% retracement, which is unusual for a wave 4. So at that point, we need to investigate if it's something different. But for now, this is what I would go with. And this really looks like a so-called bear flag, which is another thing to talk about here. Now, there aren't really flag patterns in Elliott wave, but it's just something to be aware of. It really looks a strong downtrend. Consolidation would usually suggest trend continuation. Is it guaranteed? No, but with this video, you should know all the relevant levels now to watch out for, and still overall further upside possible. And what is needed though is a turnaround in the green box. If it doesn't, then we are having then we have a possible more bearish wave structure to look at here, and it will get these lows from November might get threatened, but we're not there at this stage. Yeah, okay, and that's my update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.